Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. My name is Lauren. I am a part-time Poshmark seller. You can find my closet at Lolo's Boutique if you're interested in shopping. I always have a link down below, so don't forget to go and check it out. Welcome back, you guys. I am so excited to be back for another video talking about Poshmark because I have been falling in love with it. I am obsessed with Poshmark. I am obsessed with the Poshmark community. I'm obsessed with reselling clothes. I'm obsessed with thrifting. And this is honestly one of my favorite side hobbies I've ever had, and I do not plan on stopping anytime soon at all. I'm just absolutely obsessed with it and have been loving how everything's been going. I am back again with you guys though for a new video today where I'm going to be sharing all of the tips and tricks I have learned the past 2 weeks, which I know does not sound like a lot to some of you guys, I'm sure, because there are Poshmark people who've been on there for like 3, 4, or 5 years and I'm just starting. But I have been listening to so many Poshmark people giving advice on what the best tips and tricks are, and I wanted to share some of my top tips and advice for you guys and things that I have definitely seen work for me in the past 2 weeks. If you guys are interested in checking out my Poshmark closet, I do always have it linked down below for you all to see, as well as an Instagram account where I share sneak peeks, tips, tricks, deals, all sorts of fun stuff. So you guys should definitely go and follow that as well. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into those tips. Tip number 1 is the most important tip to making sure that you get sales, and that is sharing. Sharing is caring, and Poshmark loves to share. They love it when you share. They love it when you share your things. They love it when you share other people's things, and that is the best way to get your items out to everyone to see. You need to be sharing as often as you can. I try and share my full shop at least 3 times a day, which is what a lot of people recommend, but I share a lot of my items all throughout the day. And along with that, I'm sharing other people's items that I see on the main feed, or if I see that someone has been sharing a lot of my items, I go back and I reshare a bunch of theirs to be nice. That is literally one of the #1 ways that everyone says you will make sales on Poshmark, and I believe I can completely agree with that because I have already sold 16 items in 2 weeks, and a lot of, like, none of them are huge, like, ticket items or anything crazy. They're all just, like, cute tops and sweaters and jeans and whatnot. So I'm not selling anything crazy, and it's definitely worked for me, and I'm, like, so excited to just keep doing it. But anyways, the second tip is to grow your following. So going through and following new people, new Poshers. I like to personally go and scroll down like active sellers on different brands that I like. You can follow people that way. You can go onto other people's accounts and check out their followers if they have a similar style to you and follow a bunch of their people. I know it sounds spammy, but honestly, it's just a really good way to get your products out in front of other people. And that's the whole point of Poshmark, is wanting to sell your items. So the more followers you have, the more people that are going to see the items in your closet. So having a large following is absolutely necessary. In just 2 weeks, I have gone from 300 followers to 14,000, and it hasn't even been 2 weeks. It's literally been like a week and a half. So I have been cranking out some following and trying to get as many people as I can to my closet. And I definitely think that has also been a huge part in why I've been so successful. Third tip, and one that everyone talks about, and I will probably do a whole video on later at some point, is photographing your items. They need to be well lit. They need to be easy to see what the item is. You can style them if you want. I have some items that I think look better when they're styled in a flat lay style. And then I have other items that I think look better just hanging on a hanger on a white wall. I do have a light kit. I think a lot of people feel like you need to invest in that at the beginning. I don't think so. I think as long as you're smart with your natural lighting, you can definitely get away with not having one. I just happen to have a light kit from YouTube already, so I use that for my shop, and I can definitely say it makes a big difference. And you can shoot your items pictures at any time during the day, which is so convenient for me because I work from 7:45 till 5:30 at my regular job, and then I come home and it's usually dark, so it's important that I can do things at nighttime as well. But having quality pictures is definitely a must. If you're photographing your items on a dark wall in the dark corner of your bedroom, no one's going to be able to see the great detail in the item that you have. No one's going to be able to tell even what it is. And if they can't see what it is or tell what kind of shape or quality it's in, then they're not going to want to purchase it. So making sure that your photography is on point is absolutely key. It just doesn't have to be anything crazy, guys. Like literally I have a command strip on the wall and I take my clothes and put them on a hanger and I take pictures of them on the hook. Like it does not have to be that hard, I promise. My last tip that I have learned from this past 2 weeks of Poshmarking has definitely been that you need to have some sort of social media attached to your closet. And this is just another way for you to gain attention and attract people from different sources, such as me filming YouTube videos. I'm hopefully catching new people on these videos that didn't know that I had a Poshmark shop. And now they're gonna go down below, click the link, and go and see what items I have. And honestly, that's what social media is all about, is bringing people to the products and what you are selling in your business, and therefore putting more eyes on your company and what you want. I don't think, again, that you have to go all crazy with your social media and make an Instagram and a Twitter and a Snapchat and a Facebook and a YouTube and LinkedIn and all of these other social media platforms. I think it's okay to just take one and stick to it and focus on it. I am pretty obsessed with my Poshmark Instagram. If you guys aren't following it, I'll have, again, it linked down below for you to go and check out. But there I post things like sneak peeks of items that are coming out. I post every single day sharing on my Instagram story what items I'm going to be sharing. I'll share like thrift hauls, I'll share flat lays, I'll share outfit ideas, I'll share like fun shipping related stuff, just all sorts of different behind the scenes and really cool photos and things that are going on with my business. And I think that's important too, because I'm going to be drawing eventually more people into that area, and they're going to be interested in following that Instagram to see what new items I have, because maybe someone isn't on Poshmark all day long, but they might be on Instagram all day long, and they might see your items popping up on Instagram and get excited about it and want to go and check it out. So I definitely think that social media is really important as well. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you all found these tips helpful. If you're new to Poshmark, I am really excited that you're joining the community, or if you're thinking about becoming a full-time reseller or part-time reseller, please let me know down below. I would love to see your links to your shops. We can all go and follow each other, and it'll be just a really fun community of sharing and helping. And I think that's how everyone grows. It's just having a really active community that you're a part of. I just really hope that these tips have helped you, because these are some of the most important ones that I have definitely picked up on from people who have been doing Poshmark for years, you guys. Like, I am taking advice from people who have been doing it for 4 or 5 years, who know what they're doing, they know the system, they know the algorithm, they know what works. And I've been applying them for the past week and a half, 2 weeks, and I have seen results almost immediately from doing these things. And the more that you do them, just the more consistency, the bigger and more better that your closet is going to become. And for me, that's my goal. That's my end goal. If you're just looking to sell some items, that's totally fine too. It's going to get them out of your closet faster. It's going to make you more money faster. And that's the whole point of the app, is to make some money, right? We all love money. Right, Charlie? Right, Charlie? He's like, yeah, Mom, can you stop talking now so I can nap? If you guys did find this video helpful though, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that others can find it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have an entire playlist full of Poshmark related videos, so I will have it linked down below for you guys, as well as at the end of this video, and probably right here in a card, so you can go and check it out. Without further ado guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!